Aha! There's the blue puffball, and look who he's with. Splodge! Come and destroy!
No, you do it yourself. But we don't like you. Yeah, we mean that. Emphatically. What does that mean? I have no idea. It's gonna work.
One lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct, it's dangerous! Ah! What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust! Ah!
Now I'll get you, brunette stone!
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide! Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry!
Oh, get back!
Come on, lady.
Coming, puffball! Look out! Here I come! Duck Pinchy! I like my lunch steamed! 'Pretty fast for a puffball.
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
I hope so.
Come on, lady! The dragons can do big things!
Well done, Thomas! Well done!
Uh-oh! Oh, what's going on? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, Puffball! Teapot! Tin Cannon! Oh well. Next time of the year for a cruise.
But Mr. Conductor, you still have your gold dust.
I think he will soon.